they're super happy, and they're super proud that they were part of the project, that they are part of the project. I think once it clicked that nobody was trying to replace anybody, that we're just enabling them to do more and removing the boring part of their job. I think once that clicked with them, uh, the resistance really dropped. You can have the greatest tools, the best technology, the all the bells and whistles, but if your people won't use the tool, or the message is not clear on how the solution will help them, then you will not get a good adoption.